What's up, JMO fam, and welcome back to the Daily Dose of Nature. Today, JMO can only talk in third person, so JMO is sitting by a cow right now. It's a pretty big cow, just eating on some grass right now. JMO thinks the cow's pretty cool. JMO also thinks that it took them way too long to come out here. JMO wants to give some shout outs now. A shout out JMO wants to give is to Marin, because JMO says she asked for one. That's pretty much all JMO has to say for today. Peace out, JMO fam.